Hello, my name is Phil Disicone, assistant instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Today we're going to look at the wave kick as a defense against a foot stomp attack. And we're going to do this from the sitting stance like we do in the pattern shogi. So I'm going to start off getting to a good sitting stance or horse stance. Okay, you want to have your feet past beyond your elbows, beyond your shoulders, like so. And you want to bend your knees a little bit, okay? You don't never want to have your legs stiff and straight like that. So what we're going to do is, let's say someone's going to come from my side and they're going to try to stomp on my foot. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my foot, bring it up to my knee, and then I'm going to step back down. Okay, so the thing we're doing here is we want to make sure that the thing about you want to actually bring your foot up to your other knee to give you some stability. To give you more stability. If you bring your foot over like this, you're kind of unstable, you're trying to balance, and it's much easier to balance when you actually bring that foot up to your knee, just above your knee, just like so. Okay, so somebody's going to come at me from the side. I'm going to bring my foot up, like so, and then I'm going to come right down. Now, if they leave their foot there, I'm going to put my foot on top of theirs, do a trap. So, I'm going to do a few of these to demonstrate. Right above the knee, and then step down like so. Like so. I'm going to do it from the other side. Just like so. Okay, so I'm going to have Mr. Booker come in and assist me and demonstrate how this works with a partner. Okay, so I'm going to get back into a sitting stance. Okay, knees bent, toes pointed towards the front. Okay, so Mr. Booker, or your partner's going to do this. They're going to do a stomp with the padded sword where my foot is. I'm going to move my foot out of the way before it gets there. Okay, ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just like so. Okay, now I'm going to have Mr. Booker actually do a foot stomp. And you want to be careful with this, okay? When you do this with a partner, you don't want to come down hard on your partner's foot. You want to come step the foot right with the middle of your bottom of your foot and come down gently. Okay, so I'm going to get back to the sitting stance. Okay, Mr. Booker's going to do a foot stomp on my count. Okay, ready? And 1. And come down carefully, just like so. A trap, like that. Okay. Ready? And 2. Just like that. And we'll do 1 more. And 3. Just like that. Nice trap. The center of my foot, bottom of my foot is right on top of his foot. So he can't get away. So the wave kick's a relatively simple technique, very effective against a foot stomp. Continue to practice this at home and in class, of course. And that's the wave kick.